So this is the first time that I have joined a Glam Nails challenge. It is hosted by MB Nail Art over on Instagram, and the theme that I have done is water. Here is my design. It's very simple to do, but it looks striking. So these are the products that I've used to create this mani. I just had to try this mani out as soon as I saw it on Moyou on Instagram. And I've got these pigment powders as well, which are available at Gnarly Nails or the Colour Shack. So my schedule is a bit all over the place at the moment, so I may have already done my review of these this collection. It's their Innocent collection, or if I haven't, I'll be doing it in the future, so look out for that. So I'm applying this over a blue gel polish. The powder is sticking to the tacky layer that is provided through gel polish. You could use this with normal polish. You would just apply your normal polish as normal, then you would get like a transfer foil glue and apply that and allow that to dry, and then that creates like a tacky layer as well. So you want to take off the blue protective film before stamping. And Moyou actually use this colour, which is Surf's Up, which thankfully I already had in my collection. So you want to apply this to the nail first, then going back to that same image, you want to go in with a white polish. This is my BeautyBigBang stamping polish. And you want to put that over the top. It doesn't need to be like straight over the top. It's probably better if it's like, you know, not straight over it. And then you've got this like a rubber ring. So again, I'm doing a layered up look, so it's meant to be creating the shadows. And then I'm going in with Berrylicious. This is a stamping polish that I brought when I got these stamping plates. It's not a colour that I've got before, and I really liked it and thought it'd go really nice with this colour combo. Now for the next bit, I am doing what I'm trying to achieve is like a lilo on top of the water. And what's class with this plate, I don't particularly think it was made for this, but I'm using it for this purpose. You can just like keep adding the colours. So it's a real quick way to get like a multi-layered stamping look, but without all the drying time and things like that. So I'm going to add this slogan here at the bottom of the lilo, which says chill. And then I went ahead and got a thinner line of blue polish and put that on top of it as well, but unfortunately I didn't record that process, but that's what I did. And then that is it. You just finish off with a top coat, and it's a real funky looking design. I really hope you guys like it as much as I do, so stay tuned for more prompts that I'll be doing with this challenge. Please press that free subscribe button if you've not already done so, and take care, jelly babes. Bye.